is rectangular, spacious living and the dining. This is the kitchen with L-shaped platform. So this is the master bedroom with ample of lighting. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Classic Exotica, a project developed by Classic Builders, and this project is located in Billapura, Sarjapur, South Bangalore. And today we are here to check out their 4 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the exact surrounding of the project. And right now I'm standing on the main entrance. So basically once you enter, this is the land parcel and the marketing office is on the left hand side over here. We'll be getting all the information and detail of the project, and the model apartment is ready inside the tower itself. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So basically, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and this project is spread across 1.7 acres consisting of 2 towers with each tower of basement, ground plus 14 floors, offering you 3 and 4 BHK luxurious apartment. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and project provides you ultra luxurious amenities like a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play zone, multi-purpose hall, indoor games and many more. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located on Sarjapur Attibele main road in Billapura, Sarjapur, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and right now I'm standing on the main entrance. So this is the main entrance of our Exotica project, and now let me show you the neighborhood. So basically, this is the Sarjapur Attibele main road, and this road on my back hand side will connect you towards Attibele, and the opposite side road will take you towards Ittangur. Now about the further connectivity and location part. So basically, you can connect to Azim Premji University in just 1 kilometer from the project. Sarjapur Circle is 1.8 kilometers away. D-Mart is 2.5 kilometers from your location. So this is your 4 BHK model flat of 2420 square feet super built up area. Let's enter towards this beautiful model flat, and this is the main entrance of your house. Once you enter, here is the digital door lock for your security purpose and for your privacy. Here's a massive foyer area. So once you enter through this foyer area, here is rectangular, spacious living and the dining area. First, let's focus upon the living area, where you can have a look at the beautiful interior work done for your reference with the sofa set, the TV unit and the space, which is very spacious and a massive one. So once you move forward, right here is your dining area. Isn't it much beautiful and the spacious one? Easily you can set up the long dining table over here, which has a connecting balcony. So let's move further towards the balcony area, and this balcony is attached to one of your bedroom with anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing. And let me show you one more thing. This is the Azim Premji University, which I mentioned in the location part. The balcony is much more spacious with 3-side open view and abundance of light. So let's move towards your kitchen area with the easy access to your dining area. Right here is your kitchen area. And this is the kitchen with L-shaped platform, cabinets. A window comes here for ventilation and lighting purpose. And yes, right here is the utility space with anti-skid flooring. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So your bedroom number 1 is right over this side. Here they have provided a niche area where you can add up your own decors, own things, and now this is the main entrance of your bedroom number 1. So once you enter inside, let me show you the spacious bedroom with a bed space in the center of the room. And here is the wardrobe space, the dressing area, and there's ample of space to move around, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and this bedroom comes with attached washroom as well, with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now about your bedroom number 2, which is just beside this bedroom and right over the side. So once you enter, the interior tells that this is a kid's bedroom and a beautiful cozy interior. You can have a look with the bed space over here, the study table, there is ample of space in the center. Here's a wardrobe space, private washroom with intricate flooring and CP sanitary fitting. And now this is the balcony. This is the same balcony which is connected to the balcony of your living and the dining area with intricate flooring and toughened glass railing. So basically you can add up your couch or else your bean bag and enjoy the beautiful view. Now we'll be moving further towards your next bedroom. So your 2 bedrooms are on the one side of the house and other 2 bedrooms on the other side. So you have to pass through your living and the kitchen and the dining area as well. So right over this side is your bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3. So basically you can add up your bed over here, your couches, or else convert this room in a multi-purpose way as per your need. You can look how the beautiful interior work is done as a workspace. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now about the master bedroom, but before that let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit and register for free on Housey.com. Now about master bedroom, but before that let me show you the powder room which is right over here. So this is the powder room with intricate flooring. Now about the master bedroom, and let's enter towards your beautiful and the spacious master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom with ample of lighting coming inside through your balcony. Here's a bed space, a wardrobe. Now about the balcony. So basically your master bedroom has a private balcony with intricate flooring, half-wall structured, toughened glass railing, and this balcony is 3-side open. Even your master bedroom has a master toilet as well. So here's your attached washroom area with intricate flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here at Classic Builders Project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.